Hi everyone, this is Cindy at Crafty Heart, and I'm back with a haul of a bunch of stuff. So first, I'll start with my tailored expressions. I did get the mini strips Valentine. I don't think it was the free one. Yeah, I got that one. I picked up some more envelopes because I did use up a lot of envelopes, and I bought their Happy Hex kit. I just love their kits. I don't know, just really, I love how they're all in their own bag. I don't know. Just love the kits. So in this kit, and you know, I can see you using this a lot with bee stuff too, which I do have a thing about bees. So they've given you things that you can make slimline cards and the matching envelopes. There's a lot of stuff in this kit. So this is the main stamp set. It's called Happy Hex. It's a mini slimline background die. And the idea is you can make monogram cards. So you can put a letter in there, in that middle right there. So they give you the alphabet stamp set. And then they give you this slimline stencil, which you can stencil a color through it. And then you've got this stamp set, which then you could put these little thingies in the hexagon spots. And then this goes in the main hexagon spot, the big hexagon. These are seals. And then here are the dies. So if you wanted to cut them out, which is genius. I love when I get to cut things out. Then you've got that. And then you've got your cards. And then you've got your envelopes. So you can do a whole kit and caboodle. And it also comes with one last thing. It comes with, looks like one of these boxes, acetates. You could put a box together and you can actually make a little gift of your hexagon cards. So I love that. I love my kits. I'm behind on using them, so that's a big project that I'm going to work on shortly at some point. I did buy things from a new to me company. This is, what is this? Let me find out. It's called Journaling for Life stamps. Okay, and then you can buy this stuff separately. You can buy it as a kit. I bought it as a kit. I have a thing for books. Okay, so maybe it's being a librarian. I don't know, but I do. I don't know. I got this cute little envelope. It's a cute little size. It comes with these cute little die cuts, and they are sort of book themed. It's like books, and I think that the spoons must be a teacup, or yeah, teacups and feathers and all that. There's a couple of white tags in here, and then this stamp set, which is like a little iPad. Some paper. I didn't open it up, so I don't know what kind of paper, but it's part of this kit. And then this is the main stamp set. So you get this really cool bookshelf, you get this stacked books, and some really cool sentiments. Book Nerd, Book Club, Go Places, Readers Live 1,000 Lives. This is just a chapter at the end of my story, just one more chapter. So I love that. So I got that, and it's amazing. So, whoa. So dropping stuff like crazy. Okay, so I bought this on Etsy. I bought it like a million years ago. I don't know, it took forever. It's Artisan Boutique by TPA on Etsy. It wasn't like a great deal or anything. I just wanted to have it, and I didn't want to buy a bunch of stuff. So this is Stamperia. It's the Lady Vagabond. I wanted it because it had all these cool books. So I don't know how I'm going to use it exactly. Some of the stuff has a little bit of a Harry Potter vibe to me because it's like in London, but it's steampunky, I guess. But I think it's really cool for book vibe. I'm going to do something with it. I haven't decided what. I think that this would make a really cool like art journal page. The size is really good for the art journal I'm in right now. So I did get that. And then, so from the Ink Road, I got this habit tracker because they're going to go bye-bye. So I did get this habit tracker from the Ink Road. And let's move on to, let's see. This took forever to get here too. I bought this the day after Christmas, or a couple days after Christmas. This is from the Crafter's Companion, and they had a big sale. So these things were a really good price, even with shipping. So this is an envelope. And what I liked is the size of the envelope. So I believe that this is similar to the size that I use when I make my little sort of gift card type envelopes. And I know when I looked at it, I think it makes it at 2.5 by 3, but I'll have to measure and find out exactly for sure. But you get this envelope. I picked up this one, which is like an embroidery hoop. And then I didn't realize, but that she has these hot foil stamps. So this is a sparkle frame. So it's a paper craft foil stamp and cut die. So I think it cuts the middle out, I guess, but it can do this and can do that. So I'll try it out. And then this just says always and forever. I think this is just a regular die. Doesn't say it's hot foil or anything. This is a hot foil though. This is a really good price. This is a pretty large butterfly that you could do in foil. So I got that. And then how fun is this? I've been wanting to play with something like this for a while. This is a wax seal kit. And I'm going to play with that because I think that would be really fun. So it's a little kit, and it was on clearance. All these were on clearance, and they were a magical price, which is why I got them. So, and I forgot, Tailored Expressions, you always get a little thank you envelope, and then you always get this little gift, which I already think I have that gift. I'll put it over here, take a look and see if I do have that particular one. For a while there, I think that's the first one I've had where I've actually doubled up on the gift. So sending you happy mail. This is from Honeybee. They sent me a really lovely email after I purchased, because I did purchase quite a bit. And I even forgot what I bought. But if you spent $150, it was $150, you got $75, you got a free stamp set. And then $150, I think you got the dies. And they're done doing bees. They have this really cute bee girl. So it's amazing. I had to get it. So even though I have so much donuts and coffee, I don't know, and s'mores, I guess I must like them. I'm attracted to them. So this one's called Love You S'more, and it's, I don't know, the size of it, I liked it. So I got the dies, and then I got the die that goes with this one, which is the big pickup tailgate. I need things to make masculine cards. So I need to find a way to make this into a masculine card. And everything I do still tends to look girly. So I have to find a way to make this look more masculine. I don't know if I'm going to use like Tim Holtz Distress ink or what, but I need to make it look more for dude. So I'm working on that. That's my goal. That's why I got that. Thinking, I can make it more dude-like. So pick up lines. So these can fit... also can fit in this. These can fit in here, and then these can fit in here, I think. And there's also the dies because I get them before I forget about them. So I got this. I don't know. I got that one. I think I needed to get to 150. So there you go. This is really cute. These are really good price points. They're really good price point along with the die, and they're really cute. And there's also a sewing one. I didn't get that one. This one is Stolen My Heart with the die. It's cute. I think it says Is that raccoon? I think it's raccoon. The waffle, I think it's adorable. I thought that might be cute for something for my son, like a Valentine's Day, not too mushy card for my son. And then the free one is this Be Young Love. So it's a little bee girl, not just a bee, because I I'm using, I'll give you a sneak peek of something I'm working on right now, which you might see, and if you will see in a future video. That was Be Mine. So here is Be Young Love, and then the dies. And so, I don't know, like how adorable is that? So that is my haul. Thank you for watching. This is Cindy, Praying with the Heart.